1965 Jeep Gladiator, $3,900, Kalispell, Montana. A rare and classic find, the 1965 Jeep Gladiator is a rugged, full-size truck that embodies the adventurous spirit of the Jeep brand. This example is largely original and features a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The body is in good condition with minimal rust and one noted dent, making it a solid base for restoration. While it does run, it requires some work to be safely roadworthy and is best suited for someone prepared to give it some TLC. The asking price of $3,900 reflects its potential and uniqueness, especially given its increasing collectability among Jeep enthusiasts. Two, 1976 Ford F-250 4x4, $5,500, Kingman, Arizona. This 1976 Ford F-250 4x4 pickup truck is a reliable workhorse with classic appeal. Powered by a V8 engine and equipped with a manual transmission, this truck is reported to run and drive, making it functional while still retaining vintage charm. The odometer shows 169,000 miles, though it is broken. The clean Nevada title and 4-wide capabilities add value for those seeking a vintage truck that can handle rugged tasks. It's a great candidate for light restoration or continued use with minor repairs for daily driving. (1974 Ford 100, $1,500, Port Orchard, Washington. A classic pickup with immense potential. This 1974 Ford F-100 comes with a 1984 Ford 302 engine. While it does start using starting fluid, the carburetor requires repair or replacement to run consistently. Featuring rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission, this truck is priced affordably at $1,500, making it an ideal project for enthusiasts seeking an entry-level classic pickup to restore or customize. Its clean title is a bonus for anyone ready to tackle its mechanical needs. 4. 1973 Ford F-250, $2,000, San Jacinto, California. This 1973 Ford F-250 is presented as a hobby truck, offering a solid platform for restoration or enjoyment as a classic work vehicle. Equipped with a V8 engine, automatic transmission, and front-wheel drive, it's a less common configuration for this era. With just 58,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup is a rare find for its age. At $2,000, it's a reasonably priced classic for someone interested in vintage Ford trucks. 5. 1972 GMC C10, $9,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. A classic favorite among truck enthusiasts, this 1972 GMC C10 boasts a robust 402 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission featuring a floor shifter and shift kit. The truck is enhanced with modern upgrades including long tube headers, a radiator with dual electric fans, and front disc brakes. It has a clean New Mexico title and is ready to hit the road with freshly replaced essentials. Priced at $9,000, this C10 is ideal for collectors or hobbyists seeking a stylish and well-maintained classic truck. 6. 1978 Chevrolet Cheyenne K10, $19,900, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This 1978 Chevy Cheyenne K10 is a highly desirable short bed 4x4 pickup. It's powered by a 350 crate engine mated to a TH350 automatic transmission. The truck features power brakes, power steering, and an air conditioning system, currently unhooked. The condition of the body and interior reflects care, and its 134,000 miles suggest it still has plenty of life left. At $9,900, it's a strong option for anyone seeking a collectible, square-body Chevy. 7. 1970 Ford Ranchero, $10,000, California. The 1970 Ford Ranchero blends muscle car performance with pickup practicality. Powered by a 351 Cobra Jet Cleveland engine, this Ranchero offers a smooth automatic transmission and excellent drivability, making it a standout among similar vehicles. With just 58,000 miles, it's a low-mileage example in excellent condition, priced at $10,000. The clean title and readiness for long-distance driving make it a perfect choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. 1978 Ford F-350 Dually, $3,000, Oregon City, Oregon. This 1978 Ford F-350 Dually with a liftgate offers heavy-duty capability for an affordable price. Powered by a V8 engine and a manual transmission, this truck does have some overheating issues, possibly due to the water pump. With approximately 181,000 miles, a clean title, and minimal rust, it's a worthwhile project for someone needing a reliable work vehicle with classic charm. At $3,000, it's a budget-friendly entry into the world of vintage heavy-duty trucks. Uh, 1987 Chevrolet S10 V8 Swap, 7500 Sequim, Washington. A custom build designed for both utility and style, this 1987 Chevy S10 features a 350 V8 engine with a turbo 350 transmission. It includes modern enhancements such as an Edelbrock carburetor, airbag helper springs, and custom dual exhaust. The solid rust-free body and stylish upgrades make it a standout among vintage S10s. Priced at $7,500, it's a great choice for someone looking for a capable and unique classic truck. Ten, 1984 Ford F-150, 6800 Fresno, California. This 1984 Ford F-150 is a manual transmission pickup powered by a 6-cylinder engine. With a salvage title, the truck starts and runs, but specifics about its condition are limited. Priced at $6,800, it's a simple and functional classic truck suitable for someone seeking a vintage Ford for light restoration or daily tasks. $11. 1987 Volvo Custom Pickup, $6,000, Santa Monica, California. Originally a station wagon, this 1987 Volvo has been converted into a custom beach cruiser truck. Featuring a unique Swedish flag paint job and matching interior, it's a quirky yet functional ride powered by a 4-cylinder engine. With 147,000 miles and a clean title, it's an excellent choice for someone seeking a unique and fun vintage vehicle for weekend cruises. Priced at $6,000, it's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. 12. 1988 Chevrolet S10, Marengo, Iowa. This 1988 Chevrolet S10 offers a compact pickup experience with 4-wheel capability and a manual transmission. Recent updates include a new clutch, master cylinder, and battery, though the truck needs a head gasket replacement. Priced at just $1,800, it's an affordable project truck with significant potential for off-road enthusiasts or collectors. 13. 1988 Jeep Comanche, $1,500, Windsor, Colorado. A project vehicle with a strong fan base, this 1988 Jeep Comanche features a 4.0-liter engine and comes with additional parts for a 4WD conversion. While it currently runs, it didn't pass emissions and requires attention to the floor pans. With a clean title and an asking price of $1,500, it's a solid entry-level project for Jeep enthusiasts ready to restore this classic pickup to its former glory. 14 1989 GMC 4-ton pickup, $4,000, St. Louis, Missouri. This 1989 GMC 4-ton pickup offers practicality with a straight body, no accident history, and cold air conditioning. Owned by the seller for 30 years, it's described as easy to maintain and features new tires. At $4,000, it's a reliable work truck with classic charm, suitable for light restoration or continued use as a functional vintage pickup.